Good afternoon. I'm Ashwini Dharmadhikari. Uh, Let me clarify that this presentation was made by Subodh Kulkarni, but because he could not be continued in the forum till the end, he requested me to present his presentation. It is about the Mendha Lekha village in Gadchiroli, where it's a one of its kind village, we can say, in the India, because this is the first village where Community Forest Right Act, which was established quite a long time back, but its implementation was not done anywhere. And Mendha Lekha is the first village where this Community Forest Right Act was implemented by the Gram Sabha of the village. Another speciality of this village is in the last year, not in the 2014, this is the first village in India where the entire village holds the Sadbara of the land possessions. So the land is not divided into individual names, but now the land is for the whole village. So yesterday we had a suggestion from Dr. Prabhu that we are not talking about joining the lands and making it on a larger scale. So I think this is the slogan. If you enter Mendha Lekha, it's in the Gadchiroli district, and Gadchiroli, it's dominated by the Nakshals, but such examples and villages, some of the villages which are going on the path of Mendha Lekha, they are taking a path of prosperity and they are strengthening the government by their own initiatives. So if you enter the Mendha Lekha, you will see this slogan that we have government in Delhi and Mumbai, but in our village, we ourselves are the government. I think we should understand what they mean about this. In our village, we are the government. That means whatever policies, let they be made centrally in Delhi or Mumbai, but the implementations of the policies we will do by ourselves. That is the meaning of this slogan and the line. What we want to do for the society, how it should be implemented, we are the best people to know, and we are the best people to do it because we are living here and we know what is beneficial for us. That is something they want to give a message to everybody, and this thing they are doing in a fantastic way. So I will just quickly go through some of the slides. So about the village, all the decisions pertaining to our village are taken by us, by the adult men and women in the village, collectively through consensus. Every person contributes 10% of his or her income in the Gram Sabha activities to village fund, and 2.5% of its produce goes to grain bank. The Gram Sabha of this village, Gram Sabha is the lowest, we should say, in our all democratic functionaries, Gram Sabha is at the lowest level. And it is for each village, because there are Gram Panchayats, 2-3 villages together may form one Gram Panchayat, but Gram Sabha is something, it is for the village. So that is the lowest functionary in the whole administrative process. The Gram Sabha ensures that one male and one female member from every house will be present for any decision making or anything related to the village decisions or policies. There is a Gram Kosh and Dhanya Kosh which is utilized for needy people, or whenever there is any problem or any emergencies, then this Gram Kosh and Dhan Kosh is used. The village is involved in joint forest management program since 1992. The Gram Sabha is vested with community forest right, and 80% households are using the Deenabandhu biogas plant for clean cooking. Yesterday there was a mention about record keeping also, and recording what are our resources. So Mendha Lekha is doing the biodiversity register, and the work is going on for past 1.5 years. So recording the resources is the first step, that what we have, we should know what we have, and then only we can plan, and then only we can build something on it. So that first step they have already taken. Then about SHGs, they have SHGs. The fair price shop and kerosene shop are run by the SHGs. Gram Sabha has established a computer training center with audio-visual aids. Mendha Lekha started its movement about implementing the Community Forest Right Act for the bamboo, and it all started in 2009, and in 2011 they actually got the right on the jungle. It's almost 1800 hectares of jungle they have, and the environment minister that time, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, he came and he actually handed over the rights to the villagers from the forest, because the forest department was not ready to give the right, but the minister had to come and give the right to the people. And that time, that was the time when they started selling the bamboos, and in the first year they could earn, or the total revenue from the bamboo was 93 lakhs. Gram Sabha decided to keep half of the fund for skill building of the village youth. And that was a very wise decision they took at that time, because these people, the youth, they need various kinds of trainings in the changing era and in the technology world. They should be made capable to go with the pace the world is changing. So the half of the amount they have kept for skill building of the youth. The another step they have taken is about implementing the NREGA projects by themselves. NREGA, there could be debate about whether it is useful or not, but if it is implemented in a proper way, yes, it is very much useful. NREGA, typically what happens that some work starts, it may not be in line with what people need in the village, or may not be in line with what exactly people want. So what Mendha Lekha Gram Sabha is doing is, they themselves are implementing the NREGA project. They make a proposal, they submit it to the collector, and they work out what things are required for their village, for their benefit. So, the person in between the government policy and the final beneficiary, it's being ruled out. The Gram Sabha itself is made capable to handle the projects. The steps they take is, they make a proposal, they give it to the collector. Then they have Gram Tantradnya training methodology, by which they make a group of youth and people who are interested in particular kind of work, and they train them in the particular skill, and then the work starts. The typical work they have, the projects they have been done under NREGA are like a rasta from, or the road from the main road to their village, then the nala bunding, then for the bamboo, they need trenches to be dug. So those kind of work which will help them in their day-to-day or their bamboo and forest related activities. So such things they take under NREGA. They have done collaborations with many people for technical assistance, like BIF. So their first sanction was in 16th of October 2012. And here are some statistical information. I was associated with Gram Sabha since 2013, and I work on the extension, you may say, extension to their NREGA activities and the bamboo management or the minor forest produce management they are doing. When I went there, when I had talks with the people over there, they mentioned about some assistance in terms of how to keep the records, how to manage it properly. Because for managing the Narega projects, a lot of record keeping is required, and they have to submit a lot of reports to the Tehsil office for getting the sanction, for getting the payments also. And a lot of time, and it's a drudgery work to keep it manually and then tally it, do a balancing of it. So that thing they wanted some kind of a tool or some reduction in their efforts, which they felt like it was wastage of time and effort. So then we thought that we can give some kind of a software assistance to them. I'm a software professional, so that was the easiest thing I could help them in. And I started developing a software project for them, a kind of a product which they can use for record keeping and for analysis of what they have done. So I have implemented this product at Mendha Lekha. They are using it. They are taking reports from it and they are using it to submit to Tehsil office. And that is the benefit they are getting. Another another module which we are doing is for the bamboo and other minor produce of the forest. So management of that and the PBR data collection which they are doing. So that is our future plan to give a record keeping or to take the data and provide some kind of analysis onto that. So this is about Mendha Lekha, and I will just show one statistical information about the Narega which they have done. I don't think it will fit. Okay. Okay, just to summarize, I will tell about, this is between December 2012 to July 2014. The total number of families that are involved in the Narega are average 80 families. 71 weeks of work has been done under Narega. Around 16 lakhs of wages people have earned. 3 lakhs have been gone on the tools and other related things. And from the bamboo, I have already mentioned, it's almost 93 lakhs they have earned from the bamboo management. So this is a unique example of how collaborative efforts can gain or can give you certain benefits, not only in monetary terms, but also in the capability development, in capability uplifting, skills building, and a better control over the village and a true participation in the democracy. That's what I felt when I visited Mendha Lekha. My association with them is still continued, and I have been going there once in 2 months, 3 months, and assisting them in their software training and utilization of the software and any other technical problems they are facing. There we have set up a Wi-Fi network and a client server kind of setup. There is a computer room, and in the Gram Sabha, they operate and they show the people what is the happening, what is the update, and what is the current stage of the project. And the future concept is we will put a bigger screen outside the Gram Sabha where such things can be displayed, that which project is in which stage, at what point of time we have invested money, and what is the time when we have got the money from Narega, bamboo, etc., etc. So those are the future plans. If Subodh was here, he could have given a more efficient and more meaningful presentation. So I'm thankful that you all listened to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Ashwini.